This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. Lift my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters. Sky full of lighters.
By the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards mess me up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck by lightning. Fighters keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward. Had a dream I was queen, I woke up still queen. Rap games, cash cows, mine for the milking. So nobody even ever feels me till it kills me. I swear I'll be the illest in this music there is or there ever will be. Disagree, feel free, but from now on I'm refusing to ever give up. Only thing I ever gave up's using, no more excuses. Excuse me if my head is too big for this building, and pardon me if I'm a cool chick, but you guys are slick. Popping this on how you flipped your life around, crocker spit. Who you people trying to kid flipped it? You did opposite, you stayed the same, cause star backwards is still raps, isn't it? I love it when I tell them shove it, cause it wasn't that long ago when Amy sat luster lustered cause she couldn't cut mustard muster up. Nothing brain fuzzy cause she buzzing, woke up from that buzzing. Now you wonder why she does it, how she does it. Wasn't cause she had buzzers circling around her head waiting for her to drop dead, was it? Or was it cause the people wrote her off? Guess it doesn't matter now, does it?
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. Lift my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters. Sky full of lighters.
By the time you hear this, I'll probably already be outie. I advance like going from toting iron to going and buying 4 or 5 of the homies, the Iron Man Audi. My daddy told me, slow down, hun, you going to blow it. But I ain't gotta stop to beat a minute to tell Shady I love him the same way that he did Dr. Dre on the Chronic. Tell him how real he is, or how happy I am, or how I would kill for him to know it. I cried plenty tears, my daddy got a bad back, so it's only right that I write till he can march right into that post office and tell him to hang it up. Now his career's LeBron's jersey in 20 years. I'll stop when I'm at the very top. You did it on me on your way up. It's about to be a scary drop, cause what goes up must come down. You going down on something you don't wanna see. Elevator stop, every hour, happy hour now. Life is wacky now, used to have to feed the cat, I put the claws out, I'm just a cat's meow. Ow, catty cow.
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. Lift my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters.